The first thing I'm going to start off is with the wet ingredients. So you will be needing 2 eggs, some sugar, vanilla extract, and also some vegetable oil or olive oil. I'm using vegetable oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crack the 2 eggs. The next thing you're going to add is some sugar, 1 cup sugar. And then also 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. One cup and a half of carrots, just like this. And I'm just gonna pour it all in. So you're just gonna mix this. And now we're just done with the wet ingredients. Now we're gonna go to the dry ingredients. Needing 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you're gonna also be putting 1 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. So let's just sift the flour first. Next thing you're going to do is the cinnamon. And finally, the baking soda and salt. One 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, grounded. I'm just going to sift that as well. And mix well. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to put the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to put the cupcake liners in the tray. This is probably going to make at least like 12 muffins or so, or less, depending on how much you put in each of them. And I'm using a 1/4 cup measuring cup. You can use anything, like a spoon or something. So I'm going to put the muffins in. So you're going to leave these muffins at 375 Fahrenheit and just leave it for 5 minutes. And then afterwards, preheat it for another 350 and bake it for 10 to 12. It really just depends, around 12 minutes. And then they're going to be baked. Now we're going to work on the cream cheese frosting. So for this you would be needing a 1/2 cup of butter. I'm just going to put that in there. And we're going to first beat this, and then after we'll put our other ingredients. So let's just beat this real quick. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of cream cheese. And we're gonna mix it again. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The next thing I'm gonna add is the 1 pinch of salt. I just put it in a teeny bowl, but you just take a salt, sprinkle it. I'm just putting it here just to show you guys. 1 pinch, not too much. You don't need too much of this. So now you're gonna mix. Step is to add our powdered sugar. Now for this you would put 2 cups of it. I'm gonna sift this. We don't want like any of those lumps going in there, so I'm gonna quickly just sift it. Now I'm gonna fill the holes with some cream cheese that we made earlier. So you're just gonna squirt it. Make sure your olive start from the bottom and you work your way up. So you're just gonna squeeze inside, and then there you go. It's okay if it overflows a little bit up there because we're gonna top it off with some more cream cheese. So do this for all of them. I'm just gonna start topping it off. Some more cream cheese.